Qanmon Hydraulic Technology Co. Limited is a comprehensive enterprise that integrates hydraulic technology research, as well as the production and sales of related products. The main person of our company is engaged in production more than 25 years, and our side is engaged in import and export more than 14 years. The company's main products include hose crimping machine, hose cutting machine, hose skiving machine, fitting and hydraulic hose. Our products have been exported to over 60 countries, and our products have passed the EU safety certification. All of our products give good quality warranty, and we have professional sales after service team who can help settling all questions and doubt. If you want to visit my site, please contact the export manager. She will help arranging for you.